Hello students. Once again I welcome back to all my students of standard 7th. Student, today we will discuss activity 5 of unit 3 exploring advertising. Dear students, in this activity 5 one advertisement is given. Like activity 4 we have already discussed one advertisement of Amul Shrikhand. Same way, here in activity 5 also one advertisement is given and below some questions are asked. So we will go through this advertisement and we will discuss this question. You can see here the advertisement is given: save paper, save trees, save the world. Dear students, we know that nowadays we need to save the world from global warming, and for that we need to save the trees. And we know that nowadays the trees are cut for making papers. So for saving trees we need to save the paper. So this advertisement is given: save paper, save trees, save the world. And here below some questions are asked. So let's discuss this question answer. Who paid for this advertisement? So dear students, here we can think that save paper, save trees, save the world, this kind of advertisement who has given, who paid for this advertisement? So the forestry department or the environmental department of government, they must have paid for this advertisement. Second question is here: what is the goal of the advertiser? Here the advertiser, who is advertiser? The forest department or environment department. What is their goal? So here the goal of the advertiser is to save the trees from being cut. So ultimately they want to save the environment. So it is for the global interest. They want to save the environment, and for that they need to protect the trees. So that is the goal of the advertiser here. Third question: who is this advertisement trying to persuade? So here the advertisement trying to convince the people that they should make the use of paper judiciously, wisely. So if that is done, then less trees will be cut. Less trees we need to cut, and the entire world will be benefited. The entire world will be saved. So that is the goal, and that the advertiser wants to convey the message to the people that we need to save the trees. We use the paper judiciously, wisely. We should not waste the papers. So that here the advertisement or the advertisers wants to persuade to the people. Fourth question: do you think that the advertiser achieved the goal? Yes, of course. Here the advertiser, he achieved the goal. We cannot say it is completely achieved, but up to some level the advertisers achieved their goal, because we now very well understand that we need to save the trees, we need to save the paper by seeing such a advertisement. So those who were come across such a kind of advertisement, they will surely make use of the paper wisely. Surely they will save the papers. As a citizen, now we understand that we need to save the trees. We did not to cut the trees. We need to save the paper. How we come to know? Through the advertisement we become aware. So here we can say the advertiser achieved the goal. So the less trees are cut nowadays. Classmates will have different opinions about question number 4. What is question number 4 here? Do you think that the advertiser achieved the goal? So here we can say that most of the classmates will agree with this advertisement. They will think that this advertisement worked well to make understand people regarding the use of the paper. They will certainly agree with the idea of this advertisement that it effort towards bringing the awareness towards the world environment. So in other words, we can say that most of the classmates will be agree with the idea of this ad. We are not in the class, but through this advertisement, through this concept, we can understand that most of the classmates will definitely will support this advertisement, or they will think that this advertisement will work. Here below, one more exercise is given. Use the paragraph below to help you write about this activity. Here, my dear students, one activity is given. Here we have to fill in the gap using the activity 5, the advertisement of save paper, save trees, save the world. So using this advertisement, here we have to fill in the gap. So let's discuss it. In my class, we looked at an advertisement for dash. Here the answer is an advertisement for saving paper. It was created and paid for by dash. Paid for by the Forestry and Environment Department of Government. It is trying to persuade the people not to waste paper and save trees to save the world. My classmates had different opinions of the effectiveness of this advertisement. Here we have to ask, we have to know what is the opinion of other classmates. We are not in the class, but we can understand here that many classmate opinion will be positive, that here the advertisement is effective, the goal is achieved. So answer will be that most of the classmates thought the advertisement worked. They would agree with the idea that we should not cut the trees. We should make the use of paper wisely. And a few classmates thought the advertisement did not work. They would not agree that such a kind of advertisement is able to aware the people. So I think such people are selfish. Such people are living for themselves. They are enemies of humanity and nature. Here we can understand that many people, most of the classmates will think positively that here the goal is achieved. The people understand that we should not cut the trees. But few will be there who might be thinking that the advertisement goal is not achieved. Now, people will not understand by such advertisement. Here the advertisement is not effective. So such a people we can say that they are selfish people. They are enemies of the nature. So dear students, here we will end this video. I will send you the PDF of activity 5, which you have to read it and you have to write in your fair notebook with a neat and clean handwriting. So that is your homework for today. Thank you very much students. Bye bye.